So these are Bluetooth mouse from Microsoft. This one is the white one. So look, this is the box. Here are the specs, you can read it. I will unbox it. Oh, it's closed from here. And this, it have this manual, other paperwork. And here's this mouse. Beautiful color. This is white in comparison. Very beautiful color. I think I'll just pull out. Yep, it is blinking. I'll open this. There's just one Duracell. So it is blinking to connect. Let's connect with laptop here. So to connect this Bluetooth mouse with your PC, make sure the light is blinking slowly. If it is not, then you have to press this button for 3 seconds. So let me turn it off. This is turn off and turn on. See, it is not blinking slowly. So you have to press this button for a few seconds. And now it is blinking slowly. You can leave it. Now go to your PC, type in Bluetooth. Turn on your Bluetooth here, add Bluetooth devices, mice you want to connect. Now it is searching for it. And here's Microsoft Bluetooth mouse. Click here, it is connecting. And now you can see it is blinking fast. Here mouse is connected, it is working. Close. Pretty mouse. You can hear the click of this mouse and the right click and the scroll wheel. There's no sound to it, it's silent, but you can feel it. And this also presses. Pretty nice mouse. Microsoft Bluetooth. Beautiful colors. Thank you for watching.